am I, Mommy Tess, on the go! Good morning, everyone! Mommy Tess is back! Well, today is a Friday and would be another very busy day for Mommy Tess. Very busy but would be a very productive day kasi today po, pupunta ako ng DSWD Batasan. Ito lang naman ay nasa Capitol Hills o Batasan Hills, no, sa Quezon City. Well, DSWD Batasan is a government agency where Filipino people can go for financial assistance para sa kanilang mga hospital bills, mga gamot, laboratory tests, at kung ano pa po yung mga medical assistance na kailangan natin. Even burial, meron po sila. Educational, meron din ata sila, if I'm not mistaken. But today po, I will go there for financial assistance para sa isang kapamilya. Okay, so syempre, bago umalis si Mommy Tess, I make sure na lahat dito sa bahay ay maayos. Syempre, that is my responsibility as a mother. No, kailangan bago umalis ng bahay ay at peace kasi malinis na yung bahay, napakain na yung mga alagang pusa at aso. And of course, Kuya Beam had his breakfast done, and bago ako umalis, I did my duty as a grandmother para paliguan ng aking apo na si Briella. Okay, hindi pa kasi kaya na mami niya. Alright, so I'm ready. Kaya bagong ligo si Mommy Tess, ready na po. So guys, join me. Okay, para po kung kayo ay nangangailangan din ng mga financial needs at kailan yung pumunta sa DSWD Batasan, watch this video para you will be guided as well. So I'm here today. Okay, I have this video para po makatulong din sa inyo in case one day you need help and you need to go to DSWD Batasan. Okay, so join me, guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to DSWD Batasan sa Fairview, Quezon City, but since there's no car available na mag-drive sa akin papunta doon, so I decided to travel by bus. So una, I have to ride on a bus going to Pitex kasi doon po manggagaling yung bus going to Fairview. There you go, waiting for the bus. Sana may darating ka agad. Okay, ayan na nga. Okay, ayan na. Let's go, Tess. That's it. Nakasakay din. Alright, so enjoy lang traveling by bus. Yan. Estimated, I think it will take me an hour to reach Pitex. Ayan, so dahil isang oras ang biyahe, the best way to kill the time is to watch a movie on the bus. Okay, nag-enjoy ako dito since the main actor of this film, action film, is of course one of my favorite, Jackie Chan. Honestly, I don't know what's the title of the movie, pero talaga nag-super enjoy ako dito. This is one of the best action movie ata of Jackie Chan. Okay, so ayan na po. It's almost an hour at malapit na ako sa Pitex. Well, unfortunately, the bus where I was in, hindi pumasok sa loob ng Pitex, So, sa labas lang. Kaya, here am I, walking. Okay, kailangan ko maglakad papasok inside Pitex. Okay, so one good thing, I was able to enter entrance number 3. And I was surprised, pagpasok ko sa entrance number 3 is gate number 9 kaagad. Okay, gate number 9, this is where you can see buses traveling to Fairview, Quezon City. So, I'm in. Ayan, so medyo isa ako sa mga unang nakasakay. So, hindi pa masyado maraming passenger. Pero pinupuno nila bago umalis, Okay, so dito pahinga na. Estimated time of travel from Pitex to Fairview, Quezon City, Sandigan Bayan, I think an hour and 45 minutes. Ayan, sana nga hindi masyado ma-traffic, kasi para isang oras lang. Okay, so ako talaga, if I'm traveling, hindi pwedeng mawalan ako ng water. Kaya may Absolute ako. Absolute pa ka naman. And maliban sa tubig, I make sure that I bring with me some biscuits, okay, while traveling. Kasi, you know, baka magutom, there's no need to buy, okay? So, ayan, baliktad Mami Tess. So, Magic Flakes, baka naman. Ayan, so may biscuit talaga ako sa bag ko. Okay, estimated time of travel is 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, ganun siya kalayo, no, yung Fairview, Quezon City. So, let me share to you a bit of a story of the senior citizen, si Tatay. Okay, saludo po ako sa senior citizen na ito kasi despite of his age, ayan, nagbabanat po siya ng buto, nagtitinda siya ng mga towels, okay, he's not begging but selling para lang kumita ng pera para daw sa mga anak or apo-ata niya. Thank you, Tay! Okay, so finally po, I have reached my destination. Oh, ay sa Tatay. Ito, this is So when I arrived at Patasan Hills, I went straight ahead kasi andito po yung paradahan ng mga tricycle. If you don't know the area, simply ask kung nasan po yung parking ng mga tricycle which goes straight to the SWD. Ayan. So marami po dito. Yan. Ito na po. You can see different kinds of tricycles, okay? One thing I like in this place, wag magutom ka, marami ka may bibila ng parking. Ayan po, dyan po yung parking station. Ayan, nakasakay na po si Mami Tess. Okay guys, if you are riding on a tricycle, there are two places kung saan pwede kayong dalhin tricycle driver. Pwedeng at the front at pwedeng at the back. Please take note that if you are to ask for a medical assistance for your hospital bill, advise the tricycle driver to take you to the queue at the back part of the SWD, not at the front. Kasi po ang sa harapan, yun po yung mga nakasked na to pick up their cash assistance. Sa likod po, andun yung pila ng hospital bill, and for those who are asking for a 10,000 cash assistance sa DSWD. Okay, so if you are in a queue, stay at the queue and then wait for the DSWD staff to give you a paper with the word GL o di kaya ng date when are you supposed to pick up your cash assistance. Kuha lang po, galing po letter. Oo, tapos ito na, dito na po ako, disability, papasok na po ako. So, may harap lang naman, diba? Opo. Right, I am now in, but taking a picture and video inside the SWD is not allowed. So sorry guys, I don't have any picture and video inside, okay? So please take note na kapag nasa loob na po kayo ng DSWD, please do not hesitate to ask. You will be given a form, okay? Merong 4 steps doon that you have to do. Okay, just follow the 4 steps and then wait for your turn to be interviewed. Ito guys, dumating na tayo sa DSWD. Bali, pagkatapos ako kumuha ng permission to get in, meron akong guarantee letter, yung maliit na letter, yung maliit na papel pala with the word GF. Then papasok ko, dapat may tatak. Yan, may tatak na. Okay, so kumuha kaagad ako, nag-fill up ako ng form. So dahil mahaba ang pila, Ayun, dito na ako, no? I just went out to have my lunch, mabilis, kasi medyo gutom na sa biyahe. Then, pagkatapos ito, yan, waiting for my number to be called para po sa interview ng personnel ng DSWD. Kain tayo, guys, kain tayo. Okay po, just an advice, before you go to DSWD Batasan, make sure that all the requirements are complete para hindi po masayang yung oras, pera at panahon. So please take note of the following requirements. First po, you need to have a medical certificate or clinical abstract. Original po ito or certified true copy. Dapat po may license number ng doctor. Second po is a hospital bill. Ito po, it should be original copy as well or certified true copy. Again po, dapat may signature ng attending physician. Third po, dapat mayroong authorization letter from the patient with signature niya or thumb mark in case that you are not the immediate family member. Kapag immediate ka naman, no problem. Okay, next po is the patient's valid ID. Photocopy lang po ito ang kailangan nila. And also, you need to provide a photocopy of the representative's valid ID, pero kailangan po dala nyo yung inyong original ID. Now, in case po the patient was discharged at nagkaroon ng promissory note, please provide an original copy or certified true copy ng promissory note. Okay, interview was finished, so I am here at the waiting area for the approval of the guarantee letter. Well, to be honest guys, we could not make demands sa DSWD kung magkano po itutulong nila sa atin. They make proper assessment, they make proper evaluation, at ibibigay po nila sa inyo the amount that you really need. Okay, so I myself, I'm very grateful for DSWD Batasan for being there. Malaking po ang nai-grant nila sa aming kapamilya. And indeed, it was a very long, tiring day, but a very productive one. Okay? Fruitful. Very rewarding. Sa akin po, yes, nakakapagod. But then, at the end of the day, I was very happy na at masarap no sa pakiramdam na nakatulong po ako sa aking kapamilya, lalo na ba yung kapamilya sa church. So, eto, nakakapagod pero kailangan ko po akitin yung overpass na to because the bus is traveling to PTEX is on the other side. So, okay lang. Masaya. Masaya po ako. Again, mission accomplished. So, yan guys, I hope that this video would serve as your guide as well in case that one day you would plan to visit DSWD Batasan for a medical assistance.